Hello, and welcome to the next installment of What Is. This episode will focus on IBM Watson. Watson is a radically new form of computing known as cognitive computing. Unlike modern systems, which are simply programmed on rules and logic to turn structured data into specific outputs, cognitive computers use human-like thought processes to turn even unstructured data into suitable and well-reasoned answers. Much like a human being, IBM Watson goes through 4 key processes when making a decision: observation, interpretation, evaluation, and decision. However, unlike human beings, Watson can do this at incredibly high speeds and with vast amounts of data which it doesn't forget. IBM Watson can make sense of natural language, meaning it can understand unstructured information that is made by humans for humans. This is 80% of data that exists today. The result of this is that Watson can learn about almost any field. So, how does Watson learn? Watson collects a body of information about a subject known as a corpus. This information is checked by a person to remove anything that is incorrect or not needed. This is known as curation. Once it has the corpus, Watson categorizes the information into indices and silos to make it more manageable. This is known as ingestion. Watson is then trained in a process known as machine learning. An expert uploads questions and answers in order to help Watson learn the language and patterns within that field. From this knowledge, Watson can then begin to interact with people. These interactions strengthen its understanding and enable continuous learning. So, how does Watson make a decision? When it is asked a question, Watson is able to use what it has learnt and the patterns it has found to create a hypothesis, find evidence to back up this idea, and finally, statistically weight how likely it is that the answer given will be correct. This is all done at incredible speeds, and the answer Watson gives allows the humans using it to make better and more informed decisions. So in conclusion, Watson learns, adapts, and keeps getting smarter. And so the opportunities that Watson will create in the future are unlimited, even if it does sound eerily familiar to a lot of us.